What's up sushi lovers family, namaste and greeting from Sushiman Santosh. Today in this sushi making video, I'm gonna show you simple sushi recipe with shrimp and tuna. If you are new in my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos about simple and delicious sushi recipes. Okay, here I have cooked shrimp with kosher salt. Also here I have the bluefin tuna block akan part, and also I'm gonna use the avocado. Let's prep the shrimp. Firstly, I'll take out the skins and tail part. Now I'm gonna cut the middle of the backside to take black veins of shrimp and gonna clean with cold water, and we'll make it dry with help of the pepper. Time to make it stretched, so I'll cut in 3 times in the side of belly part and gonna give pressure, little bit more pressure to make long and straight, so it will be easy to put inside the sushi roll. Okay, I have here the bamboo mat, and it's nori seaweed. Seaweed has always 2 sides, rough side and shiny. Rough side you can see a little bit line, so always we have to place sushi rice on rough side. I took nearly 130 grams sushi rice. If you want, you can use a little bit more rice also. Now I will separate gently on rough side of nori seaweed. Here I am using toasted sesame seeds. It's a white sesame seeds for the extra level of crunchiness and the aroma. Now I will place shrimp in the middle of sushi rice, which I place on the seaweed. Lots of people are curious about how to open avocado. Firstly, roll avocado by your knife and twist it. It's cool. It's really good. I'm gonna make small slices and gonna put on the shrimp. I love to use cucumber also, so in the eating time you will feel the freshness and the crunchiness as well. Okay, let's roll the sushi rolls. For sushi rolling techniques, I always say take the bamboo mat with thumb and second finger, as you can see on the video, and secure all the ingredients with the rest of 3 fingers and roll it very smoothly till the bamboo mat tip will touch sushi rice, and second step you have to roll again and finalize it very carefully. Let's give little bit squeeze so our sushi roll will be very more perfect and little tight. Time to make neta from the tuna block of akami part. This neta I'm gonna put on the top of the sushi roll, so it looks extra and gives good combinations with shrimp, avocado and the cucumber. Okay, let's put on the top of the sushi rolls. It is a little bit long, so I'm gonna cut it and make perfect size. Now I'm gonna give a little press with the bamboo mat so it will stay proper. Time to cut sushi rolls and make beautiful plating. If you are confusing about how to cut sushi rolls, I'll give simple advice. First, cut each side extra level so each pieces will look equal and beautiful. Before cutting sushi rolls, make sure your knife is very sharp and wet, so sushi rice can't sticky and nori will cut properly. Also, you have to use wet towel paper or any clothes to clean your knife after cutting each time. For sushi roll cutting idea, you can secure knife between 2 fingers. You can see on this video second and third, and it can't move and will be easy to cut down. Okay, here I am going to make a very beautiful plating. Let's see how it will look like. We can use any types of plate to decorate sushi rolls, but make sure when you're going to platings, it should be easy to take sushi pieces by hand or chopstick. For toppings, I'll use spicy mayonnaise. I already made video about simple sushi sauce recipe video. You can check link on my description box. And I'm using onion chips pieces for different flavor and it looks extra green. Yes, to make final plate I use slice of the lemons and ginger pickles and also wasabi paste. Here is my simple and delicious and really beautiful sushi roll with shrimp, tuna and spicy mayo. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.